tropical storm warning in effect. What? Tropical storm Michael moving northwest at 12 miles per hour. Expect sustained winds up to 65 miles per hour and seas up to 12 feet. Where? Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, Monroe, Collier, Lee, Hendry, and Glades counties. Impacts. This is a very dangerous situation. Expect downed trees and power lines resulting in widespread power outages. Heavy rainfall of 3 to 5 inches, with isolated amounts up to 8 inches, will cause flash flooding, especially in urban and low-lying areas. A storm surge of 2 to 4 feet above normal tide levels will lead to coastal flooding and beach erosion, particularly in Monroe and Collier counties. Ensure your emergency supply kit is ready, including food, water, medications, and first aid supplies for at least 3 days. Secure all loose objects outside your home. If you are in a flood-prone area, move to higher ground immediately. Stay indoors and away from windows during the storm. Keep a battery-powered radio or no weather radio for emergency updates. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take action immediately to protect your life and property.